Hello friends, so today we will be briefly looking at this multi-turn design pattern. I have already described the singleton design pattern in a previous video. So if you have not done that, please refer to the singleton design pattern video because it will be helpful to understand this design pattern. So in singleton design pattern, we can make a single instance of a class. So let's say we are having a class fruit here. Okay, so if we do fruit factory dot get instance, first time it will give us create an instance of fruit class and will give us. So this was the case with the singleton pattern, but if we talk about this multi-turn pattern, it maintains a hash map internally, that is the key value pairs. So it can give us multiple objects, so we can create multiple instances of the fruit class, but only a single instance will be created for a single key. So if I say fruit factory dot get instance fruit constants dot mango for the first time, so let's say this fruit constants dot mango is having the value mango maybe. So if I say this first time, then it will first check the hash map. So this mango key has a null opposite to it, so we have not yet created a mango object. So we will create this fruit object and will return it. Also, while returning, we will store it in the hash map. So now fruit constants dot mango is mapped to a object similar to this apple and banana. These were already mapped. So if somebody says fruit factory dot get instance apple, I will just return this a instance. I will not create a new one. So we will create a single instance for a given single key. So there are multiple instances a, b, let's say this mango will be created now m. So there can be multiple instances for different keys, but for a single key there will be a single instance. That's the whole crux of this multi-turn pattern. In singleton pattern we can just have a single instance, but in this multi-turn pattern we can have a single instance corresponding to a single key. We can have multiple, but for a single key we can have a single object, and once we create it we store in our hash map mapped to the particular key, and whenever next time the user asks, I will return the same object a for this apple. So let's say this, if user asks for this fruit factory dot get instance grapes fruit constant dot grapes, then I see that in the hash map the entry corresponding to is null, so I have to create a new fruit object now. I will return it to the user, but before returning I will store it in my hash map so that next time somebody asks for a grape I can return it from the hash map. So that's the basic crux, and I thought you got it. Thank you friends.